If you look at the future of the mobility industry itself, it's shaped by a few technology disruptions, which would encompass electric vehicle technology, the connected vehicle technology, also the autonomous vehicle technology. These three technology disruptions are fairly big by themselves, and we are looking at the convergence of these three to create a sustainable mobility technology for the future. And added to these three technology disruptions is also a business model disruption of shared mobility. So when you look at these four coming together, I see a complete paradigm shift in terms of how the mobility of the future would be. And this is a time when all those preparations for making each of this individually and also the convergence happen. So this is very important because it needs sufficient planning, because these technologies bring their own set of challenges. Many of them are cross-domain and cross-functional in nature. So it needs a very clear vision and a lot of skilling and preparation to make sure that we do it the right way. And we, as a country, we have the potential to leapfrog various other mobility technologies and be the first to create this sustainable mobility technology for the future. So that's the reason why we can't afford to do any mistake. We need to do this right. There's a golden opportunity in that sense. And it'll be great if we can all bring our knowledge and resources together and understand the various dimensions of this mobility framework and systematically start innovating towards all these dimensions so that we are able to build a holistic ecosystem around electric mobility. That's a kind of vision I have in terms of how this mobility space is really evolving. And it's evolving pretty fast. It's gone of those days when this evolution was slow and incremental in nature. Today we are talking about exponential rate at which these technologies are evolving and converging, so that these changes, which typically used to happen over 10 years and 20 years in the past, can happen in 1 or 2 years. So that's a pace at which things are evolving towards the future technology.